An interesting connection between Dolly Parton and Beyoncé is their musical collaboration on the song Jolene. Beyoncé released a fiery and confrontational new version of Parton's classic song on her country-flavored album Cowboy. Instead of begging Jolene not to steal her man, as Parton did in the original, Beyoncé issues a terrifying warning telling Jolene to stay away from her husband and her family. Parton reacted to Beyoncé's performance with a message, writing, "Wow, I just heard Jolene. Beyoncé is giving that girl some trouble, and she deserves it." Parton had previously expressed excitement over Beyoncé covering one of her songs. She even made an unexpected appearance on Beyoncé's album, introducing the cover in a voice-like message. This collaboration is a beautiful blend of two music legends coming from different genres, bringing together country and pop in a unique way.